Hello guys and welcome back to the Internet 101. Sorry there's been a large delay in uploading any videos, but what can I say, life got in the way and I just didn't have time, so apologies again. But during that time I have learned a heck of a lot of stuff and I'm hopefully going to show you some of those things in the near future. One thing I did want to share with you fairly quickly, however, was a simple one-liner command that will allow you to install a full LAMP stack on an Ubuntu server or any Linux server that is Ubuntu based. And this is something that I wish I'd known many years ago, as I've been setting up a lot of servers over the last months, years, and always need to install either a LAMP or a LAMP server on there. And having to go through and install each individual component by itself takes time. And especially when you get to the PHP modules, remembering which ones to install, I just end up having to always refer back to a cheat sheet. However, if you just want a simple web server to be up and running with Apache, then this one-liner will install the Apache server, it will install the MySQL database, and it will install the PHP modules as well. And again, I wish I'd come across this years ago. So this is on a clean install of Ubuntu Server version 18. I've done the sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade, which you should all do whenever you get a fresh install. So we're all set to go. And then all that's left to do is to input this one simple command. So we're going to type sudo apt install lamp-server and then the little hat sign, which you usually find above the number 6. And what that does is use a meta package, which is basically a bundle of different packages put together that are commonly used by Ubuntu, such as LAMP stacks. So this will contain the Apache, MySQL, and PHP packages all in one command. Press enter, then continue. And as you can see, all the different packages are there. So we've got the Apache 2, and we've got the different PHP libraries. We've got the MySQL server. So you see, everything is all in one command. Nice and simple. All I'm going to do now is press yes to continue and let it install. Whilst it's doing that, for those of you who don't know, and I would have thought you would have known to get to this point anyway, but LAMP stands for Linux, and then Apache, MySQL, and PHP, the 4 little components that you need to install a basic Apache web server on a Linux distribution. One other little thing whilst it's installing, what I like is instead of using the old apt-get to install and just using apt install, you get this nice progress bar along the bottom, which I find very helpful, especially on larger packages where you're thinking, gosh, how much more have I got to go of this? At least with here, you get a good indicator at the bottom as to the overall progress of the install. So there we go. That's it. Absolutely all done and installed. So I'm just going to check that it's running, and yes, we do have a Apache 2 servers up and running. And just to make sure even further that everything else is working, let's just open up a Safari window, go to the address of the server that I'm running, and there we go. We've got the default Apache page. So at the risk of getting told off for clickbaiting, there is one more command I'm going to highly recommend that you do use. And this is the MySQL secure installation. This is a thing that comes as part of the SQL package, and it's highly recommended to run this and follow the prompts to ensure that you end up with a even remotely secure database to stop the baddies getting in. So yes, it is a one command installation. However, if you want to make it slightly more secure when it comes to the MySQL database, make sure you run that secure package installation. Well, that's it for this one. I know it's nice and short, but hopefully it will be a lifesaver to you as it has been to me, and it will save you a lot of time in the future. Cheers, guys. Take care.